Hi, my name is Zeke Grant, and I am part of PC Team Stallions for this year's NeuroMaker Challenge. And this is our product for the NeuroMaker Challenge this year. It's the 6-digit that we've created on our own. So our goal with this product was twofold. It was create both a simple and effective prosthetic that's affordable for people in this extremely expensive market, and also to push the boundaries of prosthetics and robotics farther than we would have thought possible. To do this, we actually simulated a 6th finger through copper wire, a battery, and a pen tip. Also, it has electronics that are a servo, pressure sensor, and 2 control boards. It's modeled in Inventor and 3D printed in Tango material.
I'm Haylee Gehlhausen. I made a finger to hold a conductive piece to interact with the phone to simulate a finger's conductivity. I used a fingertip that we scanned on a 3D scanner and put it into Fusion 360 and turned the mesh into a solid figure. I extruded a hole to hold the pin tip.
Hi, I'm Nolan Weyer, and I wired and put the 6th finger together. My main purpose with this project was working with the servo, wiring, and soldering the wires together. Our biggest challenge with this project was when we put the main 5 fingers back on the board, we put them in the wrong sequence. To resolve this, we had to desolder, dewire, but now it is working great.
The final aspect of our project is both the simplest and the most integral, and that is the coding. For the coding, we used M-Block software run by Arduino, and the purpose of our code was to close the hand itself for 60 seconds, and then the 6th finger comes up and interacts with the phone. We believe that simplicity is key, and this shows that. So we also believe that our product can change the game of prosthetics for years to come.